I don't think people understand how crucial good sleep is. It's like having a secret superpower. Hey there, fitness warriors! Today we're diving into the dreamy world of sleep. Adequate sleep is like that underrated friend who makes everything better. But here's the kicker. Poor sleep habits can mess up your health big time. Want to transform your sleep? Start by ditching those late-night snacks and caffeine binges. Trust me, your body will thank you. Next, set a consistent sleep schedule. Yes, even on weekends. Your internal clock will appreciate the predictability. Also, create a sleep-friendly environment. Think cool, dark, and quiet. Basically, make your bedroom a sleepy time haven. And remember, less screen time before bed is a game changer. Blue light is the enemy, folks. So want to be healthier? Just tweak these habits and watch your sleep transform. For more amazing tips, hit that subscribe button, share, and comment below with any questions. Catch you later, fitness warriors.